fire. Oh, they land right in the woods. Right in the woods.
There's a fire truck.
It's true, but still. Get them a little higher.
She was actually nice to me.
That's good.
You believe that?
Yeah. Mike, watch your beer.
Imagine she was nice to me.
You want to sit down?
She was somebody dumped some garbage in the dumpster that was a school book with your name. So we don't dump garbage.
Oh, yeah,
So we
right.
got a dumpster behind that place, behind the gas station.
She's just trying to find something to...
That's pretty.
She said, well, somebody, I said it must have been in the house.
Yeah, there you go.
It must have been in the house, someone threw it away.
Are you taking pictures or video?
Video. I started with the picture.
Hey video, how you guys doing?
Making me miss the fireworks.
Oh,
That's what it was.
yuck.
Right, Tom, you remember Tom? He was bringing
That's
hookers in
cool.
that fucking house. That's where the bed bugs came from.
They're coming straight to the woods.
At least I think that's where they.
That one's really high.
Yeah.
That would, make sense.
Heads up.
I love fireworks.
She turned around, she saw me, she goes, hey you, how are you?
Fireworks are so pretty.
No, I know.
She does a lot. Cut that shit out.
All the time.
Fix
coming
some
right
shit
back.
up. Just fix some shit up and people will stay here.
What are you doing, Mike? Okay.
She said, you used to owe me rent. I just laughed.
Did you really?
I laughed.
I'm so tired.
The ashes falling right on them cars.
Yeah, the ashes.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think they're down by the river.
No, they're right on the other side of the tree line over here. On the other side of that house. It seems like they move closer and closer each year.
I can't wait for the grand finale.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
love the
no,
grand
after a while it gets lame, huh?
Yeah, until the grand finale and they shoot them all off and you're like, yeah.
finale. So pretty.
Wow.
Yeah, boom, boom.
It doesn't look that good on the camera.
That's going to be a good one.
Yellow light coming in. What the fuck is that?
Oh, I don't know.
What
is
the
that?
fuck is that? Steve,
know.
what the fuck is
What
that?
is that?
What the fuck is that?
That's a plane? It looks like flame in the air.
That ain't no plane. That's going a little fast, don't you think?
I think it's, no. Dude, it keeps going forwards and stopping.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's a helicopter.
Is it?
Probably, and they're probably watching the fireworks.
Oh, it's probably in the hospital. Probably mobile life.
Oh, whoa, whoa, hey, there goes that one.
God.
See it?
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
Hot air, little mini hot air balloons?
No.
And what else could that be?
Whoa.
Carly, don't film that. Film what the fuck's
I
going
go
on
back.
over there.
I keep going back and forth.
There. Oh,
What the fuck, bro?
There's 2 of them.
what is that?
Yo, watch over there. It's more interesting.
You. Oh.
No one's watching. Everyone's
It's
looking
a
at that.
UFO.
Everyone's watching the fireworks.
No.
Rebecca, look.
Dude, how is it moving like
What
that?
are they?
What the fuck? We're all gonna die.
Holy, look at that.
2 of them.
Yeah, one right over the other.
I'm waiting for the third one to pop up.
Yeah, me too. I was just thinking that myself.
Once the third one pops up, I'm out. I ain't fucking staying.
We got a bomb shelter at our house.
Oh, we're going there.
Plenty of food. Holy cow.
Yeah, they're just sitting there.
Yeah, that ain't no helicopter.
No, it looks like someone put kind of like made a mini hot air balloon. One went out.
Yep.
Oh, there,
Oh,
Larry
it
lit.
is.
It's still there.
Yeah, it's probably a hot air balloon.
It's probably a mini hot air balloon
It's moving.
further away. Yeah, I think it's a mini hot air balloon. Some little thing had to go up.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a helium balloon almost. That's the only thing I can think of. 'Cause it kind of one disappeared.
Wow. We'll see that in the paper tomorrow.
Why is that light going on and off like that?
Probably because the light
That's weird.
of the fireworks.
Oh yeah, what do you call it? Probably something. That's really weird. That one's still going.
It's just hovering right there, you know?
I'm waiting for it to go out. It looks like it's about to die.
Can't see it in the camera.
Yeah, you can't see it through the camera.
I don't know which way to look.
Which is more interesting.
I don't
That
know.
dot is still there though.
It's out. It's gone.
Grand finale? This video is 8 minutes long so far. Looks like it's gonna come right over us.
Yep, that's what it feels like.
I hope that's not over.
If people keep trying to put it back out, it's not over.
Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, it looks like there's a fire back there.
It does, doesn't it?
It's out.
Is that it?
I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Let's get the hell